One day, Mama was in the kitchen. She got out her shiny red mixer to make a treat for her children. Just then, her little boy walked into the room. He stood there watching very closely to see what she was doing. Mama got some butter out of the fridge, and the little boy said, "I don't like butter." Next, Mama got out eggs and chocolate chips. The boy said, "I don't like eggs, but I do like chocolate chips." Mommy continued to get out the ingredients, and the boy continued to say, "I don't like vanilla. I don't like flour. I don't like baking soda. I don't like salt." Then he paused and said, "I do like sugar." The boy asked Mama, "What are you making?" Mama smiled, looked down, and said, "Chocolate chip cookies." The boy was suddenly very interested, and he watched as Mama scooped the cookie dough out and put it onto a pan. Next, Mama put the unbaked cookies into the oven. While the cookies were baking, the boy waited and waited. He had to wait for what felt like a very long time, a whole 10 minutes. The boy watched the oven intensely, trying to figure out how these ingredients combined can make delicious cookies. Finally, the buzzer rang, and Mama pulled the cookies out of the oven. The boy was so excited. The cookies looked and smelled yummy. But Mama said he still needed to wait while the cookies cooled. And after what must have felt like an eternity, even though it was only 5 minutes, Mama finally handed the boy a cookie. The boy bit into the cookie and smiled at his Mama and said, "Oh, I do like butter."